Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In the previous videos, we understood AI risks and the principles of responsible AI. Now let's understand how organizations actually implement these ideas using AI governance frameworks. So first, what do we mean by framework? A framework is simply a structured guide. It helps organizations manage AI in consistent and organized way. Think of it as a blueprint that shows how to build, use, and control AI systems responsibly, instead of figuring things out differently every time. Without a framework, AI governance becomes random and inconsistent. Different teams make different decisions, risks are handled unevenly, and accountability becomes unclear. With frameworks, organizations follow clear steps and shared best practices. This brings control, clarity, and trust both inside the organization and for customers and regulators outside it. One well known example is the AI Risk Management Framework from the National Institute of Standard and Technology, often called the NIST AI RMF. This framework focuses on risk. It helps organizations identify risks in AI systems, assess how serious those risks are, and manage them over time. In simple terms, it helps teams think ahead what could go wrong with AI and decide how to handle those issues before they cause real harm. Another important framework comes from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD. The OECD AI principles take a broader value based approach. They focus on making AI trustworthy and beneficial for society as a whole. These principles emphasize ideas like fairness, transparency, accountability, the human well being, and they guide governments and organizations on what responsible AI should look like at a global level. The European Union Artificial Intelligence Act takes a different path. It uses a regulatory approach. The EU AI Act classifies AI systems based on the level of risk, such as low risk, medium risk, and high risks. The higher the risk an AI system poses to people or security, the stricter the rules must it follow. This creates clear legal expectations, especially for AI used in sensitive or high impact areas. At first glance, these frameworks may look very different. One focuses on managing risk, another on shared principle, and another on regulation and compliance. But they all aim for the same goal: to ensure AI is safe, fair, and trustworthy. This provides structure, so AI governance is not random, reactive, or left to chance. When organizations use these frameworks together, they get a clearer and more practical approach to responsible AI. Principles explain what matters, risk frameworks explain how to manage uncertainty, and regulations explain what must be followed. Together, they help turn abstract ideas into real, repeatable actions. If you need a detailed video on each AI governance framework, let me know in the comments section. In the next video, we'll explore who is responsible for AI governance inside an organization and how roles and responsibilities are defined.